Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financiable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Hamster Kombat coin, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened the Hamster Kombat app, which is basically a mini app or mini game of the Telegram. So once you do that, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Hamster Kombat apps on the screen. So to change a Hamster Kombat coin, you can see there is a Binance icon at the top, just at the right above of this daily cipher. So once you tap on the Binance icon, you can choose any of the exchange from here. So So now let me choose this Binance for now, and let me get back. And now you can see there is a airdrop option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard. So let me tap on the airdrop now, which is distinguishable by its mouse coin icon. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a withdrawal. So let's tap on the withdrawal, and finally you can see you need to connect your Ton wallet. So you simply need to tap on it and connect your Ton wallet in here, and yeah, you'll be able to change your Hamster Kombat coin to Ton successfully. So basically this is how you can change Hamster Kombat coin to Ton coin, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.